Hey friends, if you wish to install Realtek HD audio driver, uh, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Actually, there's nowhere to install this. I'm telling you. The only thing that you can do is search for device manager, open the device manager, expand the list of audio inputs and outputs, right click and update the drivers. If this doesn't help, then you can search for these audio driver updates, not the driver itself, on Google. Go to the codecs page. Scroll down, click on the download button. I accept. Download this file, enter the captcha, click on submit, click on save, click on save. We'll need a while for this. So once it has been saved, you can extract this file and run it. But these are only the updates. Basically, if you have these drivers on your system, you have them. If you do not have them, you do not have them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.